there is a lot of video out there about confidence, like how to be the confident version of yourself, what habits are important, what lifestyle changes are important, how you should present yourself, how you should look, or how you should react in a particular situation in order to look and feel confident. But I would be talking about the very important thing, which is mindset. Until and unless you are feeling confident from within, from your mind, no matter what you do, nothing will show you 100% results. Okay, because mindset always matters. If you are doing all the habits, but if you are not feeling confident from within, you're seeing others, you are feeling that you're lacking somewhere or else, then no matter what all things you are searching, learning, or trying to do, it's all going to be a waste. This is true and honest. Okay, so now what to do? Before starting anything, okay, you should understand that confidence is a skill. Okay, it is not something that one is born with. If you practice it, if you feel from within, you will definitely show up as a very confident person in front of everyone. Okay, and I have seen that mostly the person who are actually unique and actually showing their true honest self in front of everyone looks more confident than the one who is remembering all the points and trying their level best to look confident in front of everyone. So the motto over here is confidence is not a check mark or a to-do list, like if I am looking like this way, if I'm acting in a this way, then I am confident. No, confidence is when you feel that you are showing your true self in front of everyone. You will see that you are actually, your facial expression, your body language, your habits, everything will match with the person you actually are, and the person will in front of you will get inspired by who you are and not who you're trying to be. Okay, so this is very important to remember that mindset changes everything. Stop comparing yourself with anyone, okay? If you want to compare, compare with your past or your compare with the previous version of yourself, like how you would dress, how you would talk to anyone. This is the version you should see and compare your present with, not with the person who are already doing good and best in their life. Mindset always matter over here. Okay, so how can you rewire yourself in thinking that you are the best and the confident version of yourself? Is that first accepting yourself. Okay, until and unless you accept yourself, how are you thinking of others accepting the way you are? You should be feeling the confidence that you can, you should be feeling the love for yourself. You should feel that yes, I am someone, I genuinely love my personality, myself, the way I speak, the way I express myself. You should feel that feeling from within, and then expectation would reduce. If you love yourself, if you see yourself as someone confident, you will stop taking external validation, which will also indirectly impact on your confidence level from within. Because until and unless you are feeling confident from within, no matter how much external validation or approval or appreciation you get from the outside world, you would always feel that I'm lacking somewhere or the else. And stop negative self talk. Okay, if you are someone who is constantly demotivating yourself or doubting your own potential, then how would other persons see your best side? If you're nervous, or if you're thinking within or overthinking that am I looking confident, am I performing my best self, this should not come. So always encourage yourself, show some compassion to yourself. Tell yourself, no matter what other thing, I think that you are confident, you are doing great, and motivate yourself to you know show up, because the confident person is the one who is showing up no matter how he or she feels. Okay, so it should always come from within. You can you can see the tips from the outside world, like the habits and how you should react in certain situation, what kind of answer you should give in certain conversation. This all things are acceptable, but until and unless you are confident from within, this all things would not give you 100% result. So make sure that use that all habits and everything which you see on the online, but also make sure that you are confident from within to give that 100% results in your confidence journey. Okay, and never get demotivated by anything. There is nothing in the world that you can't achieve if you put your efforts, if you put your action, and if you put your mindset in it. Okay, anything you want to create or any habit if you want to build, these three things are very important. First is the thinking, the thought, okay, what you think about it. Second is the feeling, what you feel about it. And third is what is the actions, what are the actions that you're taking in order to achieve it. Okay, so if you want to be confident version of yourself, first think that what a confident person definition means to you. This is very important. Okay, for some it would be like having a certain body language. For some it would be the communication skills. For some it would be how to present yourself and everything. So see and define what you think perfect confidence is. And second is feeling. So feeling is until and unless you feel from within that you are upgrading day by day, or you are already confident enough that you are doing great in your life, you don't need much lessons or anything, or you're motivating yourself, or you are making and thinking of the positive self talk, you're doing the positive self talk. This is also very good. And third is the action. Here you have to take action. Small tasks are also good in long term if you see, rather than doing nothing. So you have to take a big step and you have to show up yourself in front of anyone, or give speeches, or try anything, or try that habits that you have been writing it down that I have to do this all things. So you can try all that thing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I feel that this video will help you a bit in your confidence journey, because this mindset shift is also very important with other skills and other tips out there. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.